Surah Al-Dukhan, the smoke. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 59 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
حميم.
Hamim.
والكتاب المبين.
By the illuminating book.
إنا أنزلناه في ليلة مباركة إنا كنا منذرين.
Certainly we sent it down on a blessed night, for we always warn.
فيها يفرق كل أمر حكيم.
Every wise matter is distributed therein.
أمرا من عندنا إنا كنا مرسلين.
As a command from us, indeed we are those who send.
رحمة من ربك إنه هو السميع العليم.
Mercy from your Lord. He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إن كنتم موقنين.
Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them, if you are people of certainty.
لا إله إلا هو يحيي ويميت ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين.
There is no God except Him. He gives life and causes death, your Lord and the Lord of your forefathers of old.
بل هم في شك يلعبون.
Rather they are in doubt, playing.
فارتقب يوم تأتي السماء بدخان مبين.
So wait for the day when the sky will bring forth visible smoke.
يغشى الناس هذا عذاب أليم.
Which will cover the people. This is a painful punishment.
ربنا اكشف عنا العذاب إنا مؤمنون.
They will say, O our Lord, relieve us of the punishment. We embrace faith.
أنى لهم الذكرى وقد جاءهم رسول مبين.
How will they heed advice when the clarifying messenger has already come to them?
ثم تولوا عنه وقالوا معلم مجنون.
Then they turned away and said, He is taught, insane.
إنا كاشف العذاب قليلا إنكم عائدون.
We shall remove punishment for a few days, then you will return to your ways.
يوم نبطش البطشة الكبرى إنا منتقمون.
The day we shall seize with the severest seizing, indeed we will take retribution.
ولقد فتنا قبلهم قوم فرعون وجاءهم رسول كريم.
And we certainly tested the people of Pharaoh before them, and an honourable messenger came to them.
أن أدوا إلي عباد الله إني لكم رسول أمين.
Musa said, "Deliver the servants of Allah to me. I am a trustworthy messenger for you.
وأن لا تعلوا على الله إني آتيكم بسلطان مبين."
And do not rebel against Allah. I bring clear evidence to you.
وإني عذت بربي وربكم أن ترجمون.
And I have sought refuge with my Lord and your Lord, lest you stone me.
وإن لم تؤمنوا لي فاعتزلون.
And if you do not believe me, then stay away from me.
فدعا ربه أن هؤلاء قوم مجرمون.
So he supplicated to his Lord, "Indeed, these people are wrongdoers."
فأسر بعبادي ليلا إنكم متبعون.
We said, "So take my servants by night. Indeed, you will be pursued."
واترك البحر رهوا إنهم جند مغرقون.
And leave the river divided. The army will be drowned.
كم تركوا من جنات وعيون.
How many gardens and springs have they left behind?
وزروع ومقام كريم.
And fields and magnificent abodes.
ونعمة كانوا فيها فاكهين.
And blessings in which they were reveling.
كذلك وأورثناها قوما آخرين.
Thus it was, we made another nation inherit them.
فما بكت عليهم السماء والأرض وما كانوا منظرين.
So the sky and earth did not weep over them, and they were not granted respite.
ولقد نجينا بني إسرائيل من العذاب المهين.
And we certainly granted the children of Israel salvation from humiliating punishment.
من فرعون إنه كان عاليا من المسرفين.
From Pharaoh, indeed he was conceited among those who exceed the limit.
ولقد اخترناهم على علم على العالمين.
And indeed we knowingly chose them over the people of that era.
وآتيناهم من الآيات ما فيه بلاء مبين.
And we granted them the signs in which there was a clear favor.
إن هؤلاء ليقولون.
Indeed, these disbelievers say,
إن هي إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمنشرين.
"It is only our first death, and we shall not be resurrected."
فأتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
So bring forth our forefathers if you are truthful.
أهم خير أم قوم تبع والذين من قبلهم أهلكناهم إنهم كانوا مجرمين.
Are they better or the nation of Tubbah and those who preceded them? We destroyed them for they were wrongdoers.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we did not create the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them as amusement.
ما خلقناهما إلا بالحق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
We did not create them except with the truth. However, most of them do not know.
إن يوم الفصل ميقاتهم أجمعين.
The day of the verdict is the appointed time for all of them.
يوم لا يغني مولا عن مولا شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day when no friend shall avail another friend at all, and they will not be helped.
إلا من رحم الله إنه هو العزيز الرحيم.
Except the one upon whom Allah bestows mercy. He is the most exalted, the most merciful.
إن شجرة الزقوم
The tree of Zakkum
طعام الأثيم
is the food of the evildoers.
كالمهل يغلي في البطون.
Like molten copper, it will boil in the bellies.
كغلي الحميم.
Like boiling water,
خذوه فاعتلوه إلى سواء الجحيم.
seize him and drag him towards the midst of the blazing fire.
ثم صبوا فوق رأسه من عذاب الحميم.
Then pour boiling water over his head as punishment.
ذق إنك أنت العزيز الكريم.
Taste, you are exalted, noble.
إن هذا ما كنتم به تمترون.
This is that which you used to doubt.
إن المتقين في مقام أمين.
The pious are in a safe heaven,
في جنات وعيون.
in gardens and springs.
يلبسون من سندس واستبرق متقابلين.
They will wear fine and thick silk, facing one another.
كذلك وزوجناهم بحور عين.
Thus it will be, we have married them to fair maidens with large beautiful eyes.
يدعون فيها بكل فاكهة آمنين.
Safe and sound, they shall seek therein every fruit.
لا يذوقون فيها الموت إلا الموتة الأولى ووقاهم عذاب الجحيم.
They will not taste death therein except the very first death, and he saved them from the punishment of the fire.
فضلا من ربك ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
Grace from your Lord, this is supreme success.
فإنما يسرناه بلسانك لعلهم يتذكرون.
So we made it, i.e. the Quran, easy upon your tongue that they may attain advice.
فارتقب إنهم مرتقبون.
So wait, indeed they are waiting too.